DJM Computer Repair is dedicated to give our customers one-on-one service. Unlike big box stores, my small business does not push add-ons or upsells. We tackle all your computer needs, including malware, antivirus scans, cracked screens, motherboard replacements, charger port repairs, and even liquid damages. DJM Computer Repair also offers reconditioned laptops at a fraction of the cost over purchasing new. Contact me today to receive a free repair estimate or to check our constantly changing inventory of PC and Mac laptops.